On this millennial review, we're going to be installing some screen protectors on this GoPro Hero 8. And to do that, I got a pack of protectors right off of Amazon that I'll have linked down in the description below. But when we pop it out, it's going to come with a few different things. We've got some stickers to help take off some of the dust. We've got a microfiber cloth. We're then going to also have a couple of these screen wipes, extra microfiber, as well as the dust stickers. And then we're going to get 2 sets of our glass screen protectors. So in this case, I'm going to put that aside. Little front screen, another front, and then this is going to be for the lens. And that's going to be all the pieces that we need. Now we can take the package which comes with it, put the excess in there, that way you can use it later on when these crack or whatever happens that you need a new one for. So where I think I'm going to start with installing these is going to be with the front. Oh, that's for the screen, so the smaller one is for our lens. So we'll start by installing the glass protector for the lens. So to do so, we can take our little wipe, give this lens a good old clean. Make sure, get anything out of the corners. I did use this a couple of times. So it's not totally fresh, but that to me is looking pretty clear. There's still a little smudge down there, but this is where we can take our dust absorber sticker, press it on a few times, and that'll come right off. So that sticker goes to the side. We'll take this. So that's telling us that the back portion, so we're going to peel that off and see if we can get this guided on. All right, before I do that, see this sticker? Sticker is going to help us guide this on. Perfect. So just like that, the lens screen protector went right on. We can give it a little wipe, make sure it sets down just fine. And there we go. That was super easy. So now we'll run and do the same thing on the front screen of this Hero 9. Get that cleaned up. Take our dust absorber here. It's cleaned up. Let's take our screen protector, we'll pull the back off just like we did before. Use that little guide sticker. And there we are. That went on super easy. That a good old-fashioned clean up as well. Boom. Now on to the back. Same process. Sticky comes off. Wipe this down. Okay. Take our screen protector. Use a guide sticker to help us out. Oh, that's so cool to watch that settle in, but so go ahead and press it all down. Perfect. There we are. And just like that, we've got our GoPro Hero 9 set up with screen protectors. So we've got one on the rear here that looks super nice, one on the lens, and then one for the front screen as well. And I'll tell you what, that was pretty easy, went pretty well, and I'll have a link down in the description for your own lens kit, for your own screen protector kit that you can get for yourself. Well, thanks so much. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. While you're at it, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave any comments you have down in the comment section below.